Hi everyone, this is Susmita Sarkar again, and this time we are here in Rabangla. You have to visit this place via Gangtok, and this is the monastery we are capturing right now, and this is a wonderful place. You guys should visit this. You can see the view, guys. It's awesome, mind blowing. Just give it a try, and I assure you guys that you won't be disappointed. So, this is the entrance of the monastery. You have to buy tickets to visit this monastery, and then you can actually go to that place. See the view, man. It's gorgeous. It's a bit chilly over here. Wow. Isn't it great, guys? So if you guys can ever visit Sikkim, please do visit this place. It's an awesome thing to visit. As you can see, these pictures, they have depicted some of the stories of Lord Buddha here. We entered the monastery just now, and these are the colorful flags you can see. They have some kind of rituals. They see, bit ago we were capturing Buddha, Lord Buddha over there, but now it's almost invisible. Why? Again, it's visible. Why? Because the clouds. We are actually in the midst of clouds right now. So it's coming there, and then again it's moving, and it's very windy place, a bit chilly one, but a very nice place to visit. Definitely should come for this one. You can rest over here, and you can climb that steps over there. It's a huge place, and it's a very beautiful one. So this is the steps. We are actually heading towards that Buddha statue. I'm heading towards the Lord Buddha actual monastery, and to climb over there, I need to climb these huge stairs, guys. Let me focus in. These huge stairs. So I don't want to fall down and break my leg. So meet you guys up there. Okay, meet you guys over there. Guys, we have arrived to that Lord Buddha actual monastery, and this is really up here, and that's why I'm breathless right now. As you can see, this is a wonderful place. I have mentioned it 1,000 times, I guess, but I have no regret by saying this. This is actually the place. You can see the live, these clouds are coming, guys, because I have less battery charge, so I need to